This is Sweden, the land of seemingly endless forests and lakes. In fact, over 63% of Sweden's territory is covered in forests, making it the second most forested country in Europe, only beaten by Finland. So it makes sense that hundreds of thousands of houses are heated by wood, making it one of the primary heat sources in the country. But what does it really take to heat with wood, and what does it cost? We will use our Little Red Sweden house as an example. With its 50 square meters, it's on the smaller side of residential houses, so the only source of heat is our little kitchen stove. Every year, we order 15 cubic meters of firewood. To harvest that much, you would need between 30 and 38 average birch trees. Well, to be totally transparent, we probably use 12 to 13 of that, but it feels good to have some extra. You don't want to be standing there in the depth of winter, wondering and hoping if your wood will last. We pay 12,000 Swedish krona for all 15 cubic meters, including delivery, roughly 2,000 Swedish krona per month. In comparison, it costs roughly 3,200 Swedish krona to heat a house solely with gas, which would come down to 19,200 Swedish krona for the whole season. We are using birchwood, by the way, sourced locally from one of our neighbors, which in Sweden means he lives quite far away. Birch is a very common tree here in Sweden and often used for heating because it burns so well that it even catches fire when wet. So yes, I'm sure it's not for everyone splitting, stacking and carrying all that wood, having no way to heat through the night, so making a fire is the first thing you do in the morning. I'm well aware that it takes a lot of work, but I much prefer heating this way. There's something beautiful about a wood fire crackling in the stove while the aromatic smell of birch is filling the air.